Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing how to add link on Snapchat story. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat. Now you need to choose the video or picture for the Snapchat story. You can choose it from camera roll or click a picture from the camera. On the right corner of the screen, you can see different icon. Tap on drop down icon. Now you need to tap on pay-per-click icon. Now paste the URL that you have copied in your clipboard. On the bottom of the screen, tap on Attach to Snap. Then on the bottom right corner, tap on Send to. Toggle on My Story. Then tap on Uploads. Now here at the top left corner, you can see story has been uploading. And here you can see you have successfully added link on Snapchat story. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming video. Thank you.